Kablar yaxşı değil axı bu.
Problem yoktu. Ben
Oha!
başladım. Hi. Salam Asisim Baku Azerbaijan dostlar. Hi everyone. Welcome to another episode of Nushos. Today I am near Shagdat, Anik village. You can see very beautiful village. I will collect some food materials or some other things. Then I will prepare something and you guys can see that later on. You can see very nice pear tree here. I think some of them already ready. I hope this is delicious one. Yeah, it's already ripped one. Delicious. I'm going to check for some potato for the dinner. We find some. Wow, really nice potato. This one I damaged. So we got enough. We are going to prepare, see, earthworm. Now we are going to make potato fries. This is organic potato which we while ago collected from the garden. And today I am in Elshad Khanam's house. Peeling the potato. He kiya Elshad Khanam. Last one. earlier in the video I mentioned we making simple potato fry, but not actually. We are adding chicken into that. It's a different kind of dish, Azerbaijani dish, and I am preparing this dish in the Anik village. So now we are putting this boiled chicken into the plate. It's just simply boiled chicken. Chicken cutting into the pieces. After that, adding some pepper, salt, and some piece of onion, some sliced onion. So it's nicely boiled 30 minutes. Okay. Oil here, and we are adding to the hot pan 3 tablespoons of oil. 3 to 4. When it's melt, we have to add that boiled chicken which we prepared while ago. After that, we are adding sliced onion. So we have here potato wedges which we prepared earlier, adding salt on it, then adding to the on top of the chicken, on top of the boiled chicken. Okay, after 10 minutes we are opening and checking, and while ago we little bit mixed also. Now we are mixing the potato and the chicken. It's around 60 to 70% cooked already. So we are covering and again cooking for next 10 minutes, and we will check. Total cooking time is 30 to 40 minutes. Every 10 minutes we have to open and check. So I have some garden fresh coriander leaves. So we have to chop them. Our fried potato and chicken, or in their language kıstırdı kartof and toyuk, is ready. So I am taking into a serving plate. It looks very delicious. And adding coriander leaves. Here I made kıstırıcı kartof and toyuk, that means fried chicken and potatoes, and garnished with coriander leaves. I tried it, it's very delicious. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get the notification as soon as I upload the video.
Quality kizi vatsunu panar kesiliya fi santunize acem mukhal mesiliya muradiya burga torya mucca kusa mini bulu kay shiriniya bir bankusa muradiya burga